Welcome to Farmers Market Meat Minute Monday, and today we're going to talk about whether you should spike or not spike your sausages. So let's get cooking on the barbecue. Okay, so here we go. We've got some sausages on the right hand side. We're going to spike these sausages, okay? And we've got some sausages on the left hand side that we're not going to spike. Now we're going to see the difference between spiked and not spiked sausages. So we're going to leave them on the barbecue, same temperature both sides, and we'll see how it goes. And we'll come back and have a look. Okay, coming back and having a look, you can see on the right hand side a lot of fat oozing out of the sausages because they're spiked, and the ones on the left aren't spiked, so there's not too much oozing out. Now this is what's going to happen. So if you spike your sausages, you're going to lose a lot of fat. There's going to be a lot of fire underneath because that fat is dripping down into your barbecue, causing burning it and causing large flames. So it's going to burn the outside of your sausages. And inside might or might not be cooked, but it's not great. And you'll see this is the finished product. You see on the right hand side, I think the sausages have actually shrunk a little bit, but who knows, because some of that fat's come out. But you can see the ones on the right are darker, so they're a bit more burnt on the outside, and that is because that fat's been dripping out. And that fat coming out is actually going to make them not as moist either. So you want that fat in to make the sausages more moist and flavorful, like the ones on the left. So there you have it. That's our test to spike or not spike. My personal advice is not to spike. Keep the fat of the sausages in the sausage while you're cooking it. It'll give it more flavor, make it more moist, and it will turn out to be a much better eating experience. Let us know what types of videos you want us to do for Meat Minute Mondays. I'd love to hear from you, and I hope you got something out of today. Talk to you all soon. Bye.